The main repository for apps on your phone or tablet is a location called the Apps drawer. While only a few pages of apps appear on the home screen, you'll find all the device's apps assembled and ready for action on the Apps drawer. In this video, I'll show you the Apps drawer, how to find apps, how to copy your favorite apps to the home screen. You'll also learn how to organize apps into folders, as well as how to add widgets to the home screen. To keep handy those apps you use frequently, consider placing an app on the home screen. Start by locating a home screen page that has room for the app icon. Tap the app's icon to visit the Apps drawer. Locate the app you want to place on the home screen, say Facebook. Long press that app icon and keep your finger down. Instantly, the screen changes and the home screen appears. Keep your finger down until you drag the icon to the right spot. Lift your finger. The app hasn't been moved. Instead, a launcher icon appears, which is like a copy or a shortcut. Tap the launcher icon to start the app. The original app can still be found on the Apps drawer, although by having a copy on the home screen, you can access the app more quickly. As a tip, if you can't find room on the home screen page, drag the app icon left or right until a page with enough room appears. For example, I'm going to add Twitter, but drag it over to the right home screen page. Find the app. There it is. Long press, and drag it over here. Across the bottom of every home screen page, you'll find a row of common icons. This is the Favorites tray, also called the dock. The icons on the Favorites tray appear on every home screen page, which keeps them handy. I recommend keeping those icons you use most frequently on the Favorites tray, such as the phone or dialer app on an Android phone. Two common methods are available for placing apps on the Favorites tray. The most reliable method is first to drag an icon off and then replace it. So you long press an icon on the Favorites tray, such as Hangouts, and drag it off. Drag another icon from the home screen to an empty spot on the Favorites tray. The second method is simply to drag an icon to the Favorites tray. On some Androids, this action swaps the existing icon out for the new icon. However, on other devices, such as this phone here, dragging additional icons to the Favorites tray creates an app folder, which probably isn't what you want to do. Let me show you how that works. Drag it here, see the circle? It's trying to create a folder. Not what I want. And speaking of folders, an app folder is simply a single icon that contains many apps, such as this Google folder here. Tap it to view the contents. This is an elegant way to solve the problem of too many apps on the home screen. The stock Android method of creating an app folder is easy. On the home screen, drag one app icon over another. The folder is created, showing a stack of icons inside a circle. To access apps in the folder, tap the folder icon. Tap an app to open it, just as if it were on the home screen directly. Or if you just want to view the folder, open it and then tap elsewhere on the screen to close it. Some Androids offer a different method of creating app folders. When dragging one icon on top of another one doesn't work, try long pressing a blank part of the home screen. A home screen menu appears, and you can choose the folder command from that menu. A new folder is created, but it's empty. Then you just drag icons into the folder. New folders are given the name Untitled Folder. You see this name when you open the folder. To change the name, open the folder and then tap the title, Unnamed Folder. Use the on-screen keyboard to type a new name, something short and descriptive. Tap the Done button to lock in the new name. To add more apps to the folder, keep dragging them in. I'm going to drag Twitter in from this screen. The folder can hold only so many apps, usually a dozen or so. To remove an app, simply drag it from the folder icon out onto the home screen. Or you can drag an app out of the folder to the Remove icon to remove it. Keep in mind that removing an icon from a folder or from the home screen does not uninstall the app, which still can be found on the Apps drawer. And you'll also notice that by removing the second to last icon from the folder, I effectively removed the folder. That's how you undo folders on this type of Android. In other Androids, removing icons from the folder may not delete the folder, but instead leave the empty folder icon there, which you can then drag up to the Remove icon. Let me recreate the folder. I'm going to put Twitter back in, and now show you how to remove the folder icon itself. That action removes the folder, but also all the icons within the folder. Now, again, they're not uninstalled. I can still add them again to the home screen from the Apps drawer. Widgets are tiny windows that appear on the home screen, similar to apps. They display information or they're interactive in some way. To view widgets on your Android, long press the home screen and tap the widgets icon. On some Androids, tap the Apps icon on the home screen and then choose the Widgets tab atop the Apps drawer. Widgets are listed just like apps. Swipe the screen to peruse the lot. You'll notice that widgets display size information. For example, a 1x1 widget occupies the same space as an app icon on the home screen. A 2x3 widget would be twice as wide and 3 times as tall as an app icon. Adding a widget to the home screen works just like adding an app, although it's very important that enough room be available on the home screen for the widget. To add the widget, long press it. Keep your finger down, drag the widget to position it on the home screen. When room isn't available, drag the widget left or right to another home screen page. Lift your finger to place the widget. Some widgets may display a settings screen after you lift your finger. Use that screen to customize the widget. Otherwise, you're ready to go.